Hey everyone, welcome back to WPA. Today we are discussing an essential topic for website compliance, which is creating a privacy policy according to different privacy regulations worldwide. In this video, specifically we will be focusing on creating a standard CCPA policy for your website. If your website collects personal information from the Californian residents, whether through forms, email sign-ups or cookies, the CCPA requires you to have a detailed privacy policy outlining how you store, collect and use that data. But what exactly is CCPA? CCPA is a privacy law that gives Californian residents more control over their personal information. Under CCPA, the Californian residents have the right to know what personal data a business collects about them, how to opt out of data sharing and request for deletion of their personal data. This law not only protects your business legally, but also builds trust with your visitors, showing them that you value their privacy. So in this video, I will walk you through the steps for creating a standard CCPA policy for your website using the WP Legal Pages plugin. This plugin makes it easy and quick so that you can stay compliant without any legal hassle. First, we need the WP Legal Pages plugin. To get started, please refer to a step-by-step guide on installation, activation and account creation in the description box below. Please remember that the standard CCPA policy is a free template. If you need a more specific and detailed CCPA policy, you can refer to the professional CCPA policy template available in the Pro version of the plugin. So now let's jump right into creating a privacy policy for your website. First, let's head over to our WordPress dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the WP Legal Pages plugin. This will redirect you to the plugin's dashboard. Once you are in the plugin's dashboard, click on Create Legal Pages. Here, you will see a list of policy templates. Look for the standard CCPA template, which is explicitly designed to help you comply with all the CCPA requirements. Now, fill in the basic details and click Next. If you want to edit the CCPA policy or want to add any more clauses, click on Create and Edit option to edit your standard CCPA policy. After you have made all the necessary changes, click on Publish. And there you have it. In just few steps, you have simply created your standard CCPA policy for your website using the WP Legal Pages plugin. This plugin makes it easy and simple to comply with all the privacy regulations around the world. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on websites' legal compliance. In addition, if you have any questions about setting up your CCPA privacy policy, please drop them in the comments below and we will be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye!